So, that is talagang 3 months.
3 months.
11 weeks, 6 days. So, yun talaga yung due date mo.
Opo.
December 27, 2026. Posterior developing placenta. $159 beats per minute. No problem.
No problem.
Yung mga mayoma ba tayo nakita before? Wala na.
Wala naman po doon.
Corpus, right? 3.88 by 4.09. Left normal 1.74 by 1.99.